Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see Bitcoin address on Phantom Wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Phantom Wallet app on your phone. Now from over here, you're gonna scroll down, and from the listed token you're gonna find Bitcoin right away. You can first thing is tap on it, and the receive purpose you will find your address like that over here. You can share, you can copy, and the other method is for you to find it for the different account. If you have multiples, you can tap on profile icon on top left corner, tap on this pencil icon beside your account, tap on account addresses, tap on Bitcoin, and you will find your address again. You can tap on the share, or you can simply copy the address and you can share it to whoever you want to let them know that this is the address where you can send them the Bitcoin to transfer to your Phantom Wallet. So this is very easy method. You can do that to other networks as well. For Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, this is available in my token list right now. You can add more and get the address as well. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.